So, you want to make money online, right? But how do you start? Well, first off, my name is Adam Snyder. If you're new here, I am the Homemade Entrepreneur. If you want to learn how to make money online, become a better entrepreneur, and live the best lifestyle possible, make sure you click that subscribe button and also click that notification bell. So, what I want to talk to you about today, and it's going to be very straightforward, is I want to make money online, but how do I start? That is the question I get all the time. And people always say, hey, I see that you're making $10,000 a month doing this. That's what I want to do. Okay? And yes, making $10,000 a month is great. However, that is not where I started. Honestly, I didn't even start making $100 a month. I didn't even start making $200 a month for a while. And it was simply because I was doing things wrong. So, what I want to tell you today is how to make money online, how you can get started, and how you can actually be successful. So, my first tip is start off by making the first $100 a month. Then from there, go to $200. Then from there, go to $300. And keep on building, keep on scaling. Because the more you can scale, the bigger your business will get. The more money you can potentially make. Here's one thing I want to show you that I don't show a lot of people. You watch a lot of my videos, you will see this. But here's what I want to show you. These are just some I ran out of room, or else I put more businesses that I have. And now these are obviously grouped together. First, and this isn't by profitability, this is not by most recent, this is not by my favorite, this is not in any order whatsoever. Okay? Well, let me explain something to you, because there's a reason I wrote these down. I started Amazon FBA back in 2012. Okay? I started affiliate marketing back in 2006. I started network marketing in 2007. Dropped out of it a little bit, came back in about 2009, 2010, went back out of it again, came back in like 2013, 2014, and I've been doing it, dabbling in it ever since. YouTube, I got into YouTube about 2010, 2011, and I've been really adding more channels since 2014, okay? The reason why I'm showing you this, and I'm going to talk about the rest in a second, the reason I'm showing you this is because I didn't start all these things on day one. I started with one. I started with affiliate marketing, okay? With affiliate marketing. There it is. Started with affiliate marketing. And I eventually grew into, network marketing and YouTube and niche websites and consulting and course sales and all this stuff because I started with one thing. And that's what you need to do, okay? That is the secret to making money online. Most people are going to tell you you can pick anything and you can start drop shipping. You can pick any product online from China and drop ship it to the United States and make money. Now I'm here to tell you that is not entirely true. Those people are not necessarily lying to you, but they are not telling you the whole story. They're not telling you the 100% truth on how it actually works. So let's be clear. When I first started drop shipping, I wasn't making a lot of money. I was actually losing money. And it was simply because I didn't know what I was doing. Okay? So you need to learn. Okay? So the first secret is to pick one method to make money online. Start there. Scale it up. Let me give you an example. When I started with my Amazon FBA business, okay? Or let's just go back to affiliate marketing, my very first business. I had a website called weeklyromance.com. This thing absolutely sucked. However, it taught me how to build a website. It taught me how to go and find content and put on my site, or to write the content, to do the research, to do the SEO for that site. And it got me into creating not just one website to do affiliate marketing on, it also taught me how to run niche websites. And now I have hundreds and hundreds of websites that I don't even run, that I actually pay virtual assistants, and they do all the work. They do all the content creation, they do all the link building, they'll even create the websites for me, okay, and I pay them to have it done. And that's something using virtual assistants is something I learned when I was doing affiliate marketing. Okay, so I didn't get into virtual assistants, I didn't get into all that stuff in the very beginning. I had no clue, but I eventually learned and I scaled, and now I have hundreds and hundreds of sites. And the benefit of this is you start out with one website, or you start out with one product on Amazon, or you start out with one YouTube channel, one video, and you're going to build from there. Day one, you might make $100, or you might only make, 10 cents. You might not make any money. But the key, if you want to make money online, The place to start is wherever you decide you will have the best results. The best, not only the best results, but you will have a passion to keep going. If every single item on this list does not interest you one bit, don't do it. Okay? There's people out there that do something called Cpa Marketing, which is cost per action. And what that simply means is somebody's going to pay you to have somebody else, put in their email and become a subscriber or whatever. There's also something you can do reviews, you can do surveys, you can sell stuff on Craigslist and Facebook, you can create images and sell those images to people over on Instagram. You could do ad videos. You can create Facebook pages and sell them off. You could create Instagram accounts and then later on sell those. Okay, there's a lot of ways to make money online. This right here, and I've done a lot. Okay, this is not all I do. And this is definitely not all that I've done. But what I want to explain to you is that to make money online, it's not all about starting every single item on this list on day one and seeing which one's going to take off first. Because I can guarantee you start every single thing on this list, you will eventually fail on every single one. Fail, 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 fail. Simply because you're dividing your time amongst all these things. Don't do that. What I recommend is to pick one thing. Pick one thing that you have a passion for, that you don't mind taking an hour out of your sleep schedule, or an hour out of your sitting on the couch time, whatever you want to do. Okay, you take an hour out of your day every single day, and you come up with something that you want to do. Let's say it's network marketing. Choose a network that you feel passionate about. The one that I'm currently promoting right now is called Legendary Marketer. I'll put a link to it down below. It's $30 to get in, but the potential is really unlimited with affiliate marketing. I have an affiliate marketing course. I have an affiliate marketing mini course. I'll put a link to that down below as well. And that will teach you how to get into affiliate marketing with Amazon FBA. I have a guide, a beginner's guide to Amazon FBA. I'll put a link to that down in the description box below. YouTube. I talk about how to make money on YouTube, to turn YouTube into an actual passive income stream. I'll put a link to that free guide down below. All these things I talk about because I do it. Okay? I'm not here to sell you on the idea of making money online. Obviously, you clicked on this video because you want to make money online. However, how much money you want to make might depend on you. Maybe your first goal, again, like I said, is an extra $100 a month. $100 is nothing. Okay? $100 is nothing in the grand scheme of things. When I add up all this stuff, $100 is nothing. Okay? And it's simply because you have to start somewhere. Start with $100. $100 to start is something. It's life-changing. It is going to change your life. And I guarantee it will change your life forever. Simply because you took the time. You took the time to take that $100 and you turned it into $200. That $200 into $300. That $300 into $10,000 at the end of 3, 4, 6 months. That is something that's going to change your life. Not only your life, your friends, your family's life. Because who out there, okay, I know a lot of people because I've been doing this since 2006, but who out there do you know of that currently makes $5, $10, $20,000 or more per month online? People that you never even realized had that much money simply because you never see them. They're never working. They always seem like they're going on vacation or playing golf or just hanging out at their house. And you think they're dead broke. They have nothing, but really they're working hard. How many people do you know of that do that? Because honestly, that could be you. That could be you making hundreds and hundreds of dollars every single month just because you decided to jump in. Okay, I'm not saying you have to pick one of these. These are just things that I do. And I do it because I love it. Okay, Amazon FBA, I got into it because I got tired of eBay. I got tired of eBay and shipping stuff individually to customers when it sold. So now I just send it all to Amazon, and Amazon does all the work. Affiliate marketing. I wanted to create a passive income. Well, how do you do it? Well, affiliate marketing is, in my opinion, the #1 way to create a passive income for free. Okay, you can start affiliate marketing with absolutely no money, and it works out incredibly well. Network marketing. I've joined a lot of different networks, and some are good, some are okay, some are just crap. The one that I'm in now, Legendary Marketer, it's not the best. Okay, when I say it's not the best, you're paying $30 a month for this thing. But it gives you the opportunity to make thousands and thousands of dollars. The best, in my opinion, for network marketing in the internet marketing space is something called Mob. However, it's very expensive to people that are just getting in. That is why I don't promote Mob, because I don't want people going broke and thinking, hey, I can make money. I want you to start with the bottom. I want you to start the $30 a month thing, because that is going to help you grow into making thousands and thousands of dollars. With YouTube, it's absolutely free. You check out the guide that I have down below, and it will show you how to turn YouTube into actual profit. Okay, where you can make money with your YouTube videos. With niche websites, I do these all the time. I'm always creating new ones. I probably create 2 to 3 new niche websites every single week, and they continue to make me money. If they don't make me a lot of money, I'll sell them off to somebody and recoup my entire cost. So there's a lot of things you can do. Okay, and the reason why I want to shoot this video is because everyone always asks me and tells me, I want to make money online, but how do I get started? The way to start is to choose something that fits you, fits your schedule, fits your experience, fits your knowledge level. Okay, start there. If you can start there, you can figure out what works for you. You can figure, and don't go off based off my list. Don't go and think, Ty Lopez is talking about this, or Grant Cardone is talking about this, or this guy is talking about this business. I'm just here to tell you that there's a lot of things out there. Do your research, okay? Do some due diligence on whatever it is you want to get into. Do that first. And then, once you have an idea, once you feel, okay, I can do that. Once you feel like, okay, it doesn't cost too much money, or I'm okay with that investment into this business because I'm investing into myself and my future. If you're okay with everything, move forward, move to that next step. Okay, decide to buy the course or the product or whatever it is, invest into it. Okay, because that's the only way you're going to change your life, you're going to change your family's life, and you're going to be the person you want to be. Okay, so if you have any questions on it, I know I didn't teach you a whole lot in this video. Okay, but hopefully the one thing I taught you is no matter where you are right now, you do not have to be at this same point next year. Just think, where were you last year, a year ago, today? Where were you? What were you doing? How much money do you have in your bank account? Because I can tell you, a year ago today, all of my businesses were actually smaller. And it's simply because I put in the time, the effort, and the investment back into the businesses, back into myself, that I started making more money. So, if you want to make money online, just choose one business. Choose that one business, put all your time and effort into it, get that business up to $1,000 or $2,000, even $5,000 a month. Do that first, and then start the next one. So, if you guys have any questions, let me know what your questions are down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and just enjoyed the honesty, just enjoyed the the one-on-one chat, video interaction, hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.